here. Really good. What me do I talk about the shoes, sir? Because it's hand stitched, so I got some shoes done here. One for my mother, one for myself. I'm doing one for my brother.
I perceive it because you know this leather. Beautiful shoes, beautiful shoes, beautiful. But this is how them look. Focus properly. Oh, Jesus. Really, really, really cute. Completely done in leather. Yeah. Beautiful pair of sandals. These are the cutest pair of sandals you've ever seen. Yes.
So mine and my mother's, our shoes are hand stitched. So it takes some time. First, they glue it so you can test it and feel if it's okay, if the sizing is okay, if the pattern is okay, if the design is okay. And then after you confirm, they go back and then they hand stitch it. Right? And that takes some time. So today I fly out and they need some time to hand stitch them, and they're doing one for my brother as well. But you know, I don't want like 2 pair of shoes, but you know, I have to test it out first and see if it's okay. And I would take 2 pairs, it's just that I don't have enough time to hand stitch 2 more for me. One for me, one more for me, one more for my mother. So we have to go with 1 for me, 1 for my mother, 1 for my brother. For one of my brothers. Yeah. I actually really you probably can't see my eyes and stuff, but I actually really like it here. It's pretty good. We'll leave. I'm finishing up my ice cream, going to pool. Yeah. So